All right, exercise 3 says trace the following code. Customer C1 equals new customer, Allison Brown 123. And then bank account B1 equals new bank account C1. So we'll represent it like this. In our bank account class, we added a customer parameter, so we created an account, a customer that we called it C1, and it has the name, Allison Brown, and the ID number 123. Then we created a bank account. We passed in the customer object as a new parameter, and we set the balance to 100. That's the start out. Then the next, it says customer C2 equals B1.getCustomer. So the getCustomer method, all it does is return the customer of the current bank account. So what this may as well say is if we say, I'm just going to write this down. If we say customer, what does it say? Customer C2 is equal to B1.getCustomer. What this may as well say is the B1 get customer may as well just say B1 or C2 equals C1. And as we had from the last trace, if customer C2 equals C1, then C2 is simply just a reference to C1, meaning anything you change to C2 also changes C1. So then when it says C2 set name Charles Green, that means that C2 is going to equal the name is going to equal Charles Green. But since C2 is actually just a pointer, we'll represent it like, just kind of go around here. There's a pointer to C1. That means this also changes to Charles Green. Charles Green. Probably spelled that wrong. So that means that when they print out C1 and C2, we're actually going to print the same thing. It's going to print out the ID number, which is just 123, and then their names, which is both Charles Green and Charles Green. Now when it says customer C3 equals C1, once again, we didn't create a new customer. It's just C3. I'll write this down here. Customer C3 equals C1. This is once again just a pointer, so customer 3 is going to be a pointer to C1. And then it says C3 set name Eva White. So once again, since C3 is going to equal name, or it's C3 name, which is going to equal Eva White. Sorry, paper's folding here. Eva White. But then that's also going to change the name up here once again from Charles Green to Eva White. So then again, anything you do to C3 in this case affects C1, which also affects C2, but we're not shown that here. And then it says print out B1.getCustomer is just, again, B1.getCustomer is will replace with C1, and system.out.println C3. So this is just going to print out Eva White 123 twice. I don't need to write that. And if we go in here, this is the code, and this is what it prints out. Like we said, it says prints out the ID number 123, and then the name Charles Green for B1 and Charles Green for B2, as in C1, the customers. And same thing, Eva White and Eva White. The ID number never changes.